Hi everyone. Are you interested in content typing or English to Hindi translation kind of job? So here is a great opportunity for you. This is a fully remote job opportunity that you can do from home or anywhere. Here you will be typing content in English or Hindi. So this opportunity is for English to Hindi translation. Now let's check out about the role. So you first need to type testbook.com, and here is the website. Now you can go to its career section, and here you can see the website, and now click on the explore open positions, and here are the job opportunities that you can do, and many of the jobs are remote. Many of the jobs are remote job opportunities. So we will be typing here translation. These are the job opportunities for translation. Here you can, if you are aware of other languages like Gujarati, Tamil, or Telugu, or Bengali, or Marathi, you can apply for any of these jobs. These all are fully remote job opportunities, full-time remote opportunities, and here you will be typing content depending on the language that you select, or that you opt, or that you apply for. And now let's check out about the English to Hindi translator job. So here is the opportunity that I have discussed. So basically, Testbook is an edtech platform that offers different job opportunities. The desired skills that the company is looking for. So here they have asked for the person must have appeared in judiciary exams, should have a strong command over written English and practical Hindi, should be comfortable translating academic terms in Hindi, and comfortable typing both English and Hindi, and the typing speed should be greater than 40 words per minute for both languages. And prior experience in translation work will be preferable. So these are the desired skills. So the main thing is that you have already appeared in judiciary exams. Now here's the job role. So you can see here, as a translator, you will be translating and typing English content into Hindi without breaking the context. And the content would include questions from judiciary government exams. And then you will be interacting with content experts on a regular basis to understand the ongoing changes in exam pattern. So that's it about the job role. So this is a simple opportunity, and but this is a great opportunity for people who have already been appeared in any kind of judiciary exams, or and they have knowledge of English and Hindi translation and typing, so they can apply for this job. This is a full-time remote job opportunity. So go ahead and check out the role, check out all the details. If you think that you could be a good fit for this position, go ahead and apply for the job. This is a simple application form that you can fill up by providing your name, email ID, phone number, resume, and then kindly mention judiciary exam you appeared in Hindi, in which language you have done your schooling or graduation, and then please mention the government exams you have appeared in Hindi language. So they are asking these information because you will be typing content related to the judiciary exams. So this is the reason they have asked for anyone who have already appeared in judiciary exams. So here they have not asked for that you need to pass the exam, or you just need to appear for the exam. So go ahead and check out the role. And if you think that either you or any of your family member or friend have interest in this kind of job opportunity, you can share this job role with them. And yeah, go ahead, and thank you for listening.